Hi everyone, Audi fans, I share some truly great news with you. Audi has a real surprise in store. The RS Q5. The car promises to be the most powerful and technologically advanced version of the model in its history. Externally, the car will feature an even wider and more aggressive body, massive air intakes, the signature grille, flared wheel arches, and modern LED headlights with new lighting effects. The main intrigue lies under the hood. The new model is expected to feature a hybrid powertrain combining a 2.9-liter V6 engine with an electric motor. According to preliminary reports, the combined output could exceed 600 horsepower, and its 0 to 100 acceleration will rival that of true supercars. At the same time, Audi promises to preserve the signature character of the Quattro system and make the handling even more precise. If all expectations are met, the new RS Q5 will become not just the fastest Q5, but one of the most exciting sport SUVs in its class. According to current reports, the premiere is expected in late 2026. Based on the latest information, take a look at this rendering of what the car will look like. Admit it who's already eager to buy an Audi RS Q5. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos.